While OnePlus successfully launched its 8 series flagships earlier this month, the company's mid-range option, the OnePlus Z, is yet to see daylight. We saw recent reports claiming the device is due to launch in July, and now we have our first alleged hands-on image thanks to the folks over at True Tech. OnePlus Z pops up in hands-on image as expected. The phone sports a flat display with a single centered punch hole. Judging by the instructions on the display, it will come with a built-in fingerprint reader. This also means the OnePlus Z will employ an OLED panel, likely of 90 Hz refresh rate, as last year the company committed to using that as a minimum in future products. According to past rumors, the diagonal will measure between 6.4 and 6.5 inches. OnePlus Z renders from last year. 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 The OnePlus Z is also expected to bring MediaTek Dimensity 1000L chipset, 8GB and 128GB storage. Around the back, we're expecting a triple camera setup with a 48MP main shooter. The phone will likely ship with Oxygen OS on top of Android 10 and a 4000 mAh battery. Source: